Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to make a booking management system, or how to create a website which will help you in managing your bookings. Okay, so those bookings or appointments website which you can build for taking the appointments for a dentist or any clinic, or whatever whatever the reason could be. Okay, so in order to do that, first of all we'll go to the appearance and the themes, and first of all let me just show you theme that you have to install. Where is the appearance? Okay, go to themes, and we will make use of the Astra theme. Okay, so if you don't see this Astra theme, click on add new, and search for Astra over here. Okay, over here you have to just search for Astra, and after that you will get this Astra option. Click if you don't see this activate or whatever that is. Currently I've installed this, so because of which I'm getting this activated option. But as a beginner you will see option something like this, install over here. You just have to click on that install, and then you have to click on activate, and once you click on activate it will get activated. Okay, so once you are done with that, next thing what I do is just go to plugins, click on add new. Okay, so once you come over here you just have to search for starter templates for Astra. You can type that also, but let's see whether I'm getting the results over here. Okay, so after that we'll get this option which is starter templates, elementor, viewer, builder, etc. Just click on install, and once you click on install, now this is the kind of option that you will get over here if you're doing this for first time. Then click on activate. Okay, so once you activate it, just go over here under appearance, then you will get this starter templates option. Only after installing this you will get this option. Okay, otherwise you won't see this option over here. Click on starter templates. So currently what we are doing over here is we are learning how to make use of this bookmify plugin, and I will show you how to do that. First of all, let these templates get loaded. So we won't be focusing much on the customizations, or how to customize the website and all. So primarily we will focus on how to make use of the bookmify, and how to make a appointment management system or website which will be helping you in managing your appointments and bookings. Okay, so over here let me just choose one template which suits our current need. We are looking for some website which will be helping us in booking. uh, okay, so this diagnostic lab, this looks better, and there are few pages like the home, about us, services, testimonial, and let me see if there is any other template like that of dental clinic or something like that. Let me just search for appointment. Okay, appointment option is not there, I guess, and let's see whether booking. Okay, so there is this template of a dentist clinic. So what I'll do is I will say import complete site, and let me just import this particular template, and we will see how to make use of this for appointment booking. Just click on import over here, and it will start importing all the necessary things that are required by this template. Even if it is required in some additional plugins and all, and then it will automatically install and activate. As can be seen, this process is going on, and it will make your website suitable according to this template. And as of now we are also having the bookmify, so we will see how to integrate bookmify with this particular template. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. It will take a little bit of time for things to just set up and import everything and put everything on a place. Okay, so now import is ready. Click on this view site to see how your website looks. Okay, so this website looks good. It basically has only one it basically has this only one page, and on the one page only everything has been displayed. And this is quite simple and easy to maintain, looks good as well. Okay, so now what we'll do is this says book a free consultation, and over here you have to just provide your details and everything. But what we will do is we will replace this element with the element of the bookmify, and I will show you guys how to do that in the future class. And you can customize these other things also with the help of the elementor if you want. But as of now we are not focusing on the customization of this entire website, which we will see how to customize this in my next class. Until that, just stay tuned and we will see how to make use of the bookmark this bookmify, sorry. Okay, so in order to make use of the bookmify, first of all you have to just install it. You will find a link of this plugin associated with this tutorial course. Just find the plugin of this bookmify and install it, and then we are ready to go. Thanks for watching. This was all about how to install the Astra, then this template, and we will see how to make use of bookmify in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.